This is a 2019 Can-Am 570 Renegade. It doesn't look like it right now, but I'll put some pictures up what it looked like when I bought it. Bought it, the guy said it had low compression. Come to find out, it was just a bad starter and battery. Put a new starter battery, she cranks up and runs. I get it to my house, rode around, back tire fell off because lug nuts fell off, no big deal. So I'm like, well, you know, time to go through everything. And this is where I ended up. I got everything down, even the airbox is off. I just had it covered up, I had a tarp over it. I'm right at the edge of the roof, so. Because I'm pretty sure it's been rolled, plastics were all cracked. Come to find out, the steering wheel, where it shoots down right here, there's a crack in the airbox. Right there, can't see it, but it's pretty bad. So, plus they had a hole drilled. I don't know. Got me some new airbox though. The belt box was also cracked. Right here in this corner, got me a new one of those. I say new, got them used off of a parts bike. And this is where I'm at. It's got 117 hours on it, I believe. I got the radiator and everything off because it's, like I said, everything is bent or cracked or somehow broke or something. I'm gonna call this the mystery bike because I have no clue how they done what they done. Even the shifter arm, you can see, is all boogered up. I got a new one obviously, but you can tell she's got a little bend in it. But I'm gonna wash it and flush it out because I found a little bit of contaminants in there. I just washed out this new airbox I had because they had silicone thick around here and there was mud in there, so I went ahead and washed it out. I'm about to wash this off. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll give you updates as we go or whatever. I'm not putting anything back on tonight, but I will. By the end of this weekend, I'm hoping it'll be running. I took it off, took everything down Saturday and Sunday, I believe. And yeah, I got new brake pads coming in tomorrow. The back axle on the left side's broke. Got one coming in Thursday. Other than that, new plastics, because obviously everything is just broke. Like I said, it's just all cracked in different places. I got some used plastics coming from Louisiana. And yeah, it's got 33 BKTs when I bought it. They done some shaving, obviously, not aftermarket floorboards, but it does run them, because I rode it around, but it's really close right in here. So I'm gonna try trading down for 30s. But yeah, and that's that. Appreciate it. Give the I ain't decided if I'm gonna post this or not, but if I do, give the video a like and subscribe and check out some of my older videos of riding, and I'll get this one all fixed up. It'll definitely be brand new, almost be better shape than when I found it. But thanks.